This is my BMX bike, and I've done a lot of mods to it. I'll pop a picture up on the screen right here where it looked a few months ago, and this is where it looks now. And today we'll be doing a full review on everything I've put onto this bike. So let's get into the video. Starting off with the first mod I did to this bike is in the first week I had it was these grips, and now they're kind of messed up, like they're kind of weared out and everything's scratched up and everything. And then the next mod I got, I don't really know if it counts as a mod, but I got this seat clamp that I painted blue just on my bike frame, and I got this seat post and this seat from my friend's old bike. Bigger my seat was kind of busted. Anyways, let's move on to the second mod I did to my BMX bike. So I don't know if this really counts as a mod, but I put this band on here. That has a Bible verse on it. Anyways, for the last mod were these wheeled walk brakes. I put them up on the screen right here. I got the wheel windbreak, and they costed $30 or $25. It should be on the screen though. And then for the last and final mod I did was the paint. This bike used to be white, and now it's baby blue. I painted my headset clamp, my seat clamp, and then my whole frame. In total, it cost about $40 because I spray painted it. It doesn't look that good. Like there's some spots I need repaint, so I didn't sand that good. So, but anyways, the paint in total cost about $40. For sandpaper, I don't know, $10 or something. And I got 2 cans of French blue and then 1 can of clear coat. And I think it added up plus tax to $37. So yeah. But since I'm not that good at math, I can't think of the whole price right now, so I pop it up on the screen right there. But anyways, now let's get to some riding. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and try to do a wheelie. Alright guys, well I think that was a good wheelie. I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do some jumps. Now I'm gonna do some jumps. So here's the jump. Now let's hit it. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. If you liked today's video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'm out.